Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to preload Google Fonts on Blocksy. Alright, so let's head over to our dashboard and get started. First, we want to make our way to Blocksy's dashboard here on the left sidebar. Click on that, and we'll go ahead and go over to our extensions tab over here. And we'll see all of our extensions, and we can scroll down. And you'll see here under Pro extensions, you're going to need Blocksy Pro for this. Click on Local Google Fonts, and you'll see the purpose. We will serve our chosen Google fonts from our own web server. This will increase the loading speed and make sure your website complies with privacy regulations. And you can see here, we can download the fonts locally and host them from our server. Not only does it comply with GDPR regulations and make it more secure for our users, because when we have, let's say this font here for the heading is a Google one and it loads up, they don't need a third-party server to host it, so the connection's more secure. They only need to load it from our own server. So let's just choose one. We'll choose this, and you can click on download font, right? And we can select the variations once it's done downloading. And at the same time, not only does it make it more private, it also makes it more optimized. It streamlines the process because fewer connections are needed to be made, and it's loaded right up. So it makes your site much faster, much smoother, much more optimized. You can see here we have the font, and we can click on select variations, and we have all of these variations that are going to be preloaded, and then we can select this one, medium, semi-bold, bold, and we don't need the other subsets, and that should be fine. All right, so it's all loaded up, and there isn't really any way to demonstrate this except just for our purposes. We're going to go ahead and replace this one with another heading. Let's just use the stackable one. Or in fact, we can just use the stock one. Let's search it up here. Heading. Okay, stackable one should be fine. And we'll place it right here if it'll load for us. There you go. And let's delete this, and we'll call this welcome to website as home of free WordPress edition. Okay, and then we can go ahead and select the typography for this and choose the Google fonts, and since it's already preloaded, select that, and that should be it. And we can save our site here and reload it. And if we were to refresh our site over here, we can see that we have the Google font there, and it should load much faster than not. So there's how you preload Google Fonts locally to your own web server using Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.